Okay, so got to this call and it's blinking a 24. We got a short in the system somewhere. Blew a fuse. They had a new thermostat in January, so let's see what we find. Let's see. Start with the air. Let's see. See what kind of ohm reading I got here on the contactor. 18 ohms. Nothing to ground there. Huh. I betcha that's it right there. Betcha any money that is it. That blue wire to common. That comes from the thermostat. And I bet you they put it on B or something. But checking continuity to ground. Good there. I'm going to check the thermostat. Okay, I was right. That blue wire was hooked up to O and B. Don't need that. And that's what blew the fuse. But I'm going to look at the air while I'm here. should be it. There we go. Let's go out and look at the air. We're on the water today. Let's see. Whoa. Just make sure this thing's ready to go for the season while I'm here. Dirty. Capacitor looks good. Contactor looks good, I'm sorry. Capacitor looks a little bubbly. No, good to go. Is there a hose nearby? Spray the bottom of this thing out. Darn it. Why is my bag tipping over? No hose. Get this thing started up. Let me start it. Alright, we got it started. Units from 03, R22, just beer can cold. Alright, let me wrap this up. Get a lot of calls about customer installed thermostats, and especially Nest. Nest is the top offender of customer installed thermostats wired wrong. Next would be Ecobee, and then next would be, I don't know, your regular thermostat. But every time I hear hey, I just had a thermostat installed. That's the first place I look for a short, because usually the B wire goes to, customer thinks it goes to B, or the blue wire goes to B. It's logical, but they don't know what they're doing when they do it. So, and sometimes that blue wire or B wire, whatever you want to call it, we use that as a common wire. A lot of people do, a lot of people don't. I don't know what thermostat was there before or why they changed it. So that blue wire was hooked straight up to common, and that's what I said. I go, it's probably this wire right here, because I'm pretty sure I knew what they did. She switched it to air conditioning, and the thing blew a fuse right away. So common things I see with customer installed thermostats pretty on a regular basis. Just something you got to be careful. I'm not saying homeowners can't do it. I'm just saying, hey, B on the thermostat doesn't stand for blue all the time, so you got to be really careful on what you do. If you don't know, please call someone. It just makes it easier and less stressful. Because when you don't have any heat or AC, it makes it stressful, and you don't know what the heck's going on, and the furnace is blinking a code at you, and you know, this older lady, she's like, oh, I don't know what's going on, so I just shut everything off. So, which is a good thing, you know, because it wasn't going to run anyways. But, you know, some people get really freaked out. Just a simple wiring mistake, and it will throw a monkey wrench in everything. Yeah. Luckily, it was fused, so I mean that kind of saved the world. Just got out of a crawl space. I don't know. I got stuff in my head.
Continue 1 mile to the end of the street.
All right, guys. You know what you need to do: like and subscribe, and